I have a model number AC030M1021A central air unit. The fan is not running. Is there something I should check or a way to reset it?
Who makes your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
I actually just bought the house and do not know when the air filter was replaced. I know the model number, but I'm not sure what brand it is.
The HVAC technician can help you find the model number for your air conditioner. I'll connect you shortly. How long has this been going on with your air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
It has been going on for a couple days now. I have tried shutting off the main power to the house.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I think that is all I have for you.
Hi, my name is Em, your personal HVAC/appliance expert on JustAnswer. First of all, I would like to thank you for using JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Hope you are doing well today. AC030M1021A is the model of your outdoor unit, correct? Are you saying the outdoor fan motor is not running?
To both questions.
Do you know if the compressor is running? You can verify this by feeling the big copper line. If it's running, it'll be cold. You should also be able to hear the compressor running. Usually a fan motor that isn't working is caused by a bad capacitor, but it could also be due to a bad fan motor.
It doesn't appear to be running, the copper line isn't cold, and I cannot hear the compressor.
Is the outdoor unit making any noise like it's trying to start? If so, it could be a bad capacitor. If not, we may not be getting 24 volts, 240 volts to the unit outside.
It's not making any noise.
Is the fan motor inside running?
It is not.
Okay. First thing I would check is the drain on the furnace/air handler. If it's stopped up or partially stopped up, heat float switch could be killing power.
Is that the smaller rubber line connected to the unit?
Usually it is a white PVC 3/4 inch line.
Customer attachment September 15, 2026, 28 and 29 seconds p.m. Customer attachment September 15, 2026, 28 and 39 seconds p.m. Is it the line on the right?
This will be E on the indoor unit, not outside.
Would it be the white tune in the first picture? Customer attachment September 15, 2026, 35 p.m. Customer attachment September 15, 2026, 35 and 19 seconds p.m.
Okay, this unit does not have a float switch installed. Can you verify the thermostat is in cool mode and the temp is turned down?
Yes, sir. Customer attachment September 15, 2026, 36 and 28 seconds p.m.
Okay, so you have a Nest which is hardwired. This means the thermostat is receiving 24 volts, so there is not a blown fuse in the indoor unit. Please turn the fan to on instead of auto and see if the fan motor inside turns on. If it does, the problem will be with the outdoor unit itself. Bad capacitor, bad contactor, breaker for OD unit is tripped.
I turned the fan on, but the fan in the outdoor unit still isn't working.
Okay, but the indoor unit is running right. If so, make sure the breaker for the outdoor unit is not tripped. If it is not, you will need a multimeter to complete the diagnosis. It will likely be a bad capacitor or contactor.
Right, the indoor unit is running just without cold air lol. Should I try flipping the AC breaker switch?
If the breaker is on, then no. Only if it's tripped.
It appears to be okay. Customer attachment September 15, 2026 54 and 18 seconds p.m.
Do you have a multimeter? You will need to open up the outdoor and check if 240 volts is there. This sounds like it's going to be a bad capacitor or contactor.
I don't, unfortunately.
I see. That will be really what's needed. You can just replace the capacitor, but there's a chance there may be more to it than that. You can pick up a cheap meter at Lowe's or Home Depot for around $50.
Cool, I appreciate your help.
No problem, let me know if you need anything else. Tamar.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.